Hey everybody, welcome back to Sweets and Dill. So today is going to be a tutorial video. I saw this on Instagram and I tried it last night to see if it worked, and I had curls today and it worked. So this is going to be a no heat curls tutorial. Yes, I didn't wash my hair, but I took a shower and I realized, wait, if I'm doing this right now, so I don't know if it works with my wet hair. We'll wait and see, but it does work with dry hair. It worked with my long hair. So it does work. This isn't a fraud. So let me brush my hair and then we'll get back to you. Okay, so I have my hair brushed out. And so what we're going to need first is just a headband. The one in the video looked kind of like hard, like one of these ones. And I wouldn't use that because I'd be afraid like it'd leave a mark if you slept with it. So I chose one that could still hold the hair, but it I could move it up and it wouldn't leave a mark as I slept in it, because that'd be kind of embarrassing. But this is a really nice and easy hack because I just curl my ends, but this gives it a nice curl from here instead of just doing my ends, and because I don't have time to do that in the morning. And this is really easy if you don't want to use heat on your hair, or because I don't if I curl my hair every day, it's not good for my hair. Especially if I don't put anything on it. So I just saw this hack, and I decided to try it, and it worked. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the headband and we're just gonna put it hippie style, boho style. And so what you want to do is take a strand of hair and you just want to kind of pull it through. Then you take that strand of hair and just keep intertwining it, just like this, and you go all the way through your hair. So I will, that's weird. Okay, I'll call back to you when it's done. Okay, so this is the finished product. I wrapped it all around my head. I started from here and I just kept wrapping it, and I tucked in the ends. This does work for long hair. I have wavy hair, so it stays, the curls. But if you have straight hair, I don't know if it'll stay, so don't take my word for it. This is really easy. I know it looks like I wrapped a croissant around my head, but no one's gonna see it because you're sleeping, except the kids at my school who watch this. So shout out to you guys for watching. Please don't make fun of me. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. You just put a hoodie so your family doesn't make fun of you. Guys, so it's the morning time. I just woke up. Glad I didn't forget. So I know my hair kind of looks like a mess right now because that's how my hair always looks, but we're gonna take it out and see if it worked with my hair. So we're just gonna try to find the end and just untangle it. We kind of found somewhat of an end. I'm kind of hoping the ends curled because that's all that kind of matters, because you don't want curled ends and then the ends be straight. Okay, they don't look bad. I'll get back to you when they're out. Okay, so I just took out my hair, and as you can see, it worked with my wet hair. And the curls are very nice, and they're at the end, and there was no knots or anything, so it doesn't knot up your hair. My hair kind of knots easy, so it was really nice when I figured it didn't knot. So what you want to do is just style it however you want it, put it in a ponytail, half up, half down, whatever, and then I would just hairspray to keep the curls in longer, and then yeah. So this is my headband tutorial for how to do no heat and very easy curls. And then yeah, they're very cute and they work. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Bye. Also, I want to give a quick shout out to my unicorn onesie, because not every 13-year-old wears a unicorn onesie. Obviously I'm not 13 at heart, so yeah, thanks for watching. That look really weird with my hair. Okay, we're gonna get that out. Please don't make fun of me. That's a weird thumbs up. It's my dog. Winnie? 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 Oh, it's my cat.